All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our nourisher, our sustainer, our creator. Almighty Allah ta'ala reminds us in the Quran, وَإِذْ أَخَذَ رَبُّكَ مِنْ بَنِي آدَمَ مِنْ ظُهُورِهِمْ ذُرِّيَّتَهُمْ وَأَشْهَدَهُمْ عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِهِمْ أَلَسْتُ بِرَبِّكُمْ قَالُوا بَلَىٰ شَهِدْنَا أَنْ تَقُولُوا يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ إِنَّا كُنَّا عَنْ هَٰذَا غَافِلِينَ أو تقول إنما أشرك آباؤنا من قبل وكنا ذرية من بعدهم. Just as we were at a time where all of the arwah and the souls were in that place known as Alim al-Arwah, and when that covenant was taken, and when we all had replied in the affirmative, when Almighty Allah Ta'ala asked all of the arwah, Alastu bi Rabbikum, am I not your Rabb? Am I not your Lord? What was the reply? Qalu bala. So there is no excuse, all replied in the affirmative, so that on the day of Yawm al-Qiyamah, when the day and then the time comes for our return, there is no excuse. Shahidana an taqul Yawm al-Qiyamati, we cannot even say inna kunna hadha ghafilin, that we were ghafil, that we did not know. There was a stage in our life. Do we remember that period and that time? هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا. When we were not even in this dunya, we were not even, there was no sign of our existence. Where were we before? Imagine that Almighty Allah Ta'ala, just like how He creates insan, إِنَّ أَحَدَكُمْ لَيُجْمَعُ فِي بَطْنِ أُمِّهِ أَرْبَعِينَ يَوْمًا. Look at the stages of our development. First we were not even in existence. Then the time came, إِنَّ أَحَدَكُمْ, that each one of you, that you will be gathered in the womb of your mothers. And then there was this period of time, 40 يوما نطفة ثم علقة ثم مضغة. Look at our stages, look at the stages of the development of that fetus in the human body, the embryonic development. And after all of these stages, when we were created from min nutfatin amshaj, seminal fluid, the male and the female, and from that discharge, imagine that Almighty Allah Ta'ala creates insan. So one is that we were not even in this dunya, there was no sign of our existence. And then when we were created, how we were in the time in the womb of our mothers. And that day, and then a time came where the ensoulment, the ruh enters the body. And it has already been decreed that each one of you, your rizq, your sustenance, بِكَتْبِ رِزْقِهِ وَأَجَلِهِ, your lifespan, عَمَلِهِ, your actions, سَعِيدٌ أَوْ شَقِيٌّ. It is already in the knowledge of Allah whether we will be from those who will have our book of deeds on our right hand. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ سُعِدُوا فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ. And what about those who are shaqiyun, and those who are wretched and evil? What will be their condition? After this life, there is another life, the afterlife. And that afterlife, it's either going to be Jannah, either going to be all the bounties and pleasures that a person will enjoy in Jannah. But then again, we are reminded that there is also Jahannam and the fire of hell, and no person knows when this journey is going to come to an end.